don't forget that aside the fact that having a very good foundation or having a very good foundation is key, you also need to have a very good skin for that foundation to I'm going to be starting the series I mentioned, or one of the series I mentioned I was going to start on my channel in my channel update video. So I'm going to be starting the series, the budget Bella section, and I am starting the series with a foundation I got recently, I think like 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. So I'm going to be doing like a first impression, what I think about the foundation. I'm wearing the foundation and I'm wearing the foundation on my face actually, so beneath the powder, so I'm going to be talking about it, the texture, how it feels, how it applies on my skin. And please, this first impression about this product is actually my own opinion. This post is not sponsored, you get, so I bought the foundation with my money and I'm going to talk about it with my own mouth. So guys, if you want to know what foundation I'm talking about, keep watching and you know the drill, don't go anywhere. So guys, the foundation I'm going to be talking about today is no other foundation than the Flawless HD High Definition 100% waterproof 24 hours matte oil free foundation. So I got this foundation like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I didn't use it at first on myself, I used it on a client and I love the way it's blended on her skin. Don't forget that aside the fact that having a very good foundation or having a very good foundation is key, you also need to have a very good skin for that foundation. I didn't use it on myself, I used it on a client and I love the way it blended. I used the beauty blender for this and it was awesome. I'm also wearing this foundation with this makeup look I created. I don't know which of the video is going to go up, either this makeup look or the foundation. So guys, what I want to talk about this foundation is it's thick in consistency. I've used the other Flawless, I don't know if I reviewed it here or I did a first impression here on my channel, but it is thick in consistency and also matte. So I don't know about 24 hours because hello, who wears his own makeup for 24 hours, guys? So I don't wear my makeup for 24 hours, but I don't know about people who wear makeup for 24 hours, so I wouldn't say it is 24 hours matte. I haven't tried it or worn it for a whole 24 hours, so it's not been long since I wore the foundation and I paired it with my real makeup powder, so I can't tell about the longevity of this foundation. And I got the shade in Nutmeg. I'm just going to show you guys what it, how the consistency is. So I'm just going to pump out a little. All the times I've been using it, I haven't pumped out. I just open and take whatever quantity I'm going to use. So I'm going to try to pump out for you guys. Okay. So let's do this here. So guys, I think it's still the same kind of thick consistency the other one has, like the oil-free one. That one comes in a very smaller, thinner bottle than this. This is like quite fat and short, but the other one comes in a very thinner bottle. So blending is not a problem in as much as it's thick in consistency, but I think I enjoyed using the beauty blender when I was working on a client. Then for me, using it for me, my own verdict is don't use like too much mattifying things while using this foundation, because I used the Pond's oil control for this foundation and I had a hard time trying to blend it into my skin without having to see patches. Yes guys, that's exactly what happened to me. So probably if I had used like a normal foundation or a silicone based foundation, I may not have had that issue. And maybe if I had used a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, instead of using the brush, because it was not like the regular foundation brush, I was using my foundation blending brush on my face, maybe, just maybe, I wouldn't have to, I wouldn't have faced difficulty applying this foundation. But in all, I can't say about the wear test because I haven't worn it for a long time. It's thick in consistency, it blends well with a beauty blender. Maybe next time I'm going to try with a silicone brush, and probably then I'm going to do like a very broad, fantastic review about it. But oh, I forgot to mention, this foundation actually retails, I think, between 3,000 to 3,500. I'm not too sure of the price because I got this at a wholesale deal, you know, so I'm not going to lie. But for the retail price, I think it retails between 3,000 to 3,500, depends on the store. And they also have an Instagram page on, I think it's flawlessivymakeup makeup. So that's their Instagram handle. You can send them a DM to make inquiries about the product and to know which of their foundation will suit you best. So this is the second product I'm trying from Flawless brand, and I think I like it. But I'm going to do like an in-depth review, and I've tried it with silicone-based primer, tried it with a beauty blender, tried it with a regular foundation brush. This is just the first impression of what I think about the Flawless Ivy foundation. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please do let me know in the comment section below, and I would do well to put up more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and turn the bell on so you don't miss a notification whenever I put up new videos on my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. This is Niel, and I'm signing out. Bye guys.